Welcome back to the HoustonTax YouTube channel. In this video, we're tackling a unique tax that only applies in the Big Apple, the New York City commercial rent tax. If you're a business renting commercial space in Manhattan, this tax could be impacting your bottom line, so let's break it down. But before we start the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel HoustonTax and press the bell icon for the latest updates. First things first, what exactly is the commercial rent tax? It's a tax imposed on businesses renting commercial space in specific parts of Manhattan, south of 96th Street. If your annual rent exceeds $250,000, you could be on the hook for this tax. Let's talk numbers. The tax rate is 6% of your annual gross rent, but it's not that simple. There are deductions and credits available that can significantly reduce your tax liability. So, who pays this tax? If you're renting a retail shop, office, or any commercial space, and your annual rent is over $250,000, you're likely required to file and pay this tax quarterly. But if you're paying less, you might qualify for a full or partial exemption. Now, let's dive into some exceptions. Not all tenants are subject to the full tax. For instance, nonprofit organizations, government offices, and some subtenants might be exempt. Additionally, if your rent falls between $250,000 and $300,000, you might qualify for a reduction. Wondering how to calculate this tax? Here's a quick rundown. Step 1. Determine your annual gross rent. Step 2. Subtract any applicable deductions, like the tenant's portion of real estate taxes. Step 3. Apply the 6% tax rate to the remaining amount. Let's look at an example. Suppose your business rents a space for $300,000 a year. After deductions, your taxable rent drops to $270,000. Multiply that by 6%, and you're looking at a $16,200 tax liability. That's not chump change. Filing this tax might seem complicated, but it's essential to stay compliant. Remember, this tax is due quarterly, and late filings can result in penalties and interest. So, make sure you're on top of it. Need help navigating the ins and outs of New York's commercial rent tax? HoustonTax is here to guide you. From filing forms to maximizing deductions, we've got your back. Reach out to us today for a consultation by calling us at 281-404-0443 or email us at info@houston.tax. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated with all our latest tax tips and tricks. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next video. Bye.